Good day, everyone. I'm Eugene De Panero Peña, currently taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Values Education, 2A. In this video, I will be the reporter to discuss these two questions. The first question is how is spirituality related to health? And the second question is what is the impact of spirituality on mental health? So, let's start with the first question. How is spirituality related to health? So, sa inyong palagay, paano nga ba nauugnay ang spirituality pagdating sa health? Spirituality is closely linked to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It provides a sense of purpose, inner peace, and resilience which can positively affect overall health. So, sabi nga rito, spirituality is closely linked to physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's because every individual have their own spirituality and natutulungan sila nito upang mas malaman nila ang purpose nila kung bakit sila nabubuhay sa mundong ito. At naisa sa isip nila kung ano ba ang dapat na ma-achieve or maisagawa nilang tama sa buhay nila. And also the peace and resilience na makakatulong upang maging maganda at mapabuti ang ating pangkalahatang kalusugan. Kasi totoo naman, 'di ba? It meron peace sa paligid natin, wala kang ibang iisipin kasi yun na nga payapa ang kalooban mo. So, let's start with letter A, physical health benefits of spirituality. Nakapaloob rito yung lower stress and blood pressure, strong immune system, fast recovery from illnesses, and healthier lifestyle choices. So, let's start with stress and blood pressures. Spiritual practices like prayer and meditation help regulate stress hormones, reducing hypertension. So, bilang isang tao, talagang malaki ang impact sa atin ng prayer. Lalo na kung nangyayari yung pinagdadasal natin. Rito sa lower stress and blood pressure, sabi, spiritual practices like prayers and meditation help regulate stress hormones, reducing hypertension. Kaya nasabing nakakatulong ang spiritual practices sa health because if you are praying, anong nararamdaman mo? Mapayapa, kalmado, di ba? Lalo pag meditation, talagang nakakapagpakalma sa sarili. So, yon ang isang benefits ng spirituality in terms of health. So, dito tayo sa pangalawa, strong immune system. Studies show that spiritual individuals tend to have better immune response. Kasi naman baga, ang mga spiritual individuals, wala talaga kahit ano pa mang bisyo. At nakafocus sila sa paghubog sa kanila, sarili at pagpapahalaga sa sarili nila. So, dahil wala silang bisyo, yung kanilang immune system ay yan nga, stronger. So, yon sa stronger immune system. So, next naman, fast recovery from illnesses. Faith and spiritual support can improve coping mechanism, leading to quicker recovery. Sabi nga rito, ang faith and the spirituality support ay nakakatulong sa ating coping mechanism to adjust or adapt the decreased tension and anxiety in stressful experiences or situations. So next naman, higher lifestyle choices. Many spiritual traditions promote healthy behaviors such as balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substance. So, bakit nga ba na-promote ng spirituality traditions ang health behaviors? Because spirituality encourage people to have better relationship with themselves and others. Spirituality providing them to sense of their meaning, purpose, and connection to something larger than oneself. Sa madaling sabi, kaya merong healthier lifestyle choices it because nakapokus lang ito sa kanilang sarili or to themselves. Developing a health and wellness plan. Cancer and chronic disease. Many patients report improved coping skills, reduced pain perceptions, and higher hope levels through spirituality. So, yun na nga. Through spirituality, mas nababawasan yung um, reduced pain perceptions nila. So, yung mga mas sakit na iniisip nila or mga iniisip nilang sakit, mas nababawasan yun and napapalitan yun ng higher hope which which tinutulungan sila upang yung sa isip nila is maging positive and hindi yung mga ano pain perceptions na nangyayari sa buhay nila. So, cardiovascular health. Religious practices are linked to lower heart disease risk due to decreased stress and improved emotional regulation. So, rito naman, religious practices is nakakatulong upang mapababa yung heart disease. Bakit? Kasi if you are religious or is having spirituality, mas napapakalma or mas nagiging panatag ang iyong loob pag ikaw ay nagpipray kasi praying is part of religious practices and na-improve nito ang emotional regulation kasi naman mas nagpa-function ng mabuti yung iyong emotion kasi nasa nasa mapayapa kang pag-iisip. So we come now to the second question. What is the impact of spirituality on mental health? So, ano nga ba? Spirituality plays a crucial role in mental well-being by fostering a sense of meaning, hope, and inner strength. So, yun na nga, spirituality plays a crucial role in mental well-being by fostering a sense of meaning. So, in terms of meaning, kasi baga ang tao, karamihan, hindi alam kung ano ang meaning and kung ano ang purpose nila sa life. So, natutulungan ng spirituality ang mga tao upang malaman nila kung ano ba talaga ang meaning nila and ano ba talaga ang purpose nila dito sa mundo. In terms of hope, spirituality nakakatulong sila sa tao in terms of hope because if yung mga tao may nararamdaman sakit or may pagsubok man, di ba nagde-decrease yung kanilang hope. And through prayers and other religious practices, mas nagiging mataas and or mas nagiging na-strength yung hope nila. And also inner strength. So, yun na nga. Inner strength, yung pang sarili mo ring katatagan in terms of facing problems in this society. So, we come now to letter A. Reducing anxiety and depression. Spiritual beliefs provide comfort during difficult times, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. So, yung mga spiritual beliefs, nagbibigay sila ng comfortness pagdating natin sa mga difficult times. In terms of difficult times, ito yung mga problem, situation na nasa isip natin, hindi natin masusolusyonan. So, mas nagiging comfort tayo sa mga ganung situations. And also, pag nakaano tayo sa ganung situations, mas nare-reduce yung symptoms natin na magkaroon ng anxiety and depressions. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and prayer improve emotional stability and decrease negative thoughts. So, dito naman, yung mindfulness, meditation, and prayer, na-improve sa atin yung emotional stability natin. Like, naging stable tayo na maging kalmado lang and um, isa-isip yung problem and gawan ito ng solutions na hindi nakakapaloob sa atin yung anxiety and depression and decrease negative thoughts. So, yun na nga. Pag meron tayong mindfulness, nagagawa natin yung meditation and lalo na kung nakakapag-pray tayo, um, na nawawala sa isipan natin yung mga negative thoughts na pwedeng mangyari or nangyayari sa atin. Kasi kung nangyayari man ito, lahat naman yan may solution. So, these practices talagang nakakapag-help sa atin in terms of reducing anxiety and depressions. So, we come now to letter B, enhancing emotional resilience. Spirituality helps people cope with trauma, grief, and loss by offering a higher purpose or sense of control. So, yan na nga yung spirituality, nagbibigay sa mga tao upang makayanan yung trauma, grief, and yung loss na nangyayari sa kanila. And spirituality also nagbibigay sa kanila ng higher purpose or sense of control upang makayanan nga yung mga trauma and grief and loss. Religious communities provide a social support, reducing feelings of isolation. So, pag talaga nasa religious community ka, alam nila yung mga gagawin or nasa ano talaga sila, you as a part of their community, kung meron ka mang dumating na problem, palagi kang magkakaroon ng social support kasi sila yung unang makaiintindi sa'yo kasi alam nila kung paano ka i-handle and paano mo makayanan yung problem na yon. In terms of emotional and or social problem, talagang matutulungan ka nila. That's why nasabi rito, religious communities provide social support. Letter C. Improving self-esteem and life satisfaction. Engaging in spiritual practices foster self-compassion, gratitude, and optimism, which enhance mental well-being. So, pag in-engage mo sa iyong sarili, yung spiritual practices, nagbibuild ito sa iyong sarili ng self-compassions, like pagpasalamat mo sa iyong sarili. On prayers, nagagawa mo yun. Nagpapasalamat ka sa iyong sarili about sa mga nagawa mo or sa naging achievements mo sa iyong buhay. Also, gratitude, pagpapasalamat. Pagpapasalamat mo sa nakatataas or sa sinasamba nyo sa inyong spiritual practices. And also, optimism, yung nabibuild sa iyong isipan na magpasalamat and sa iyong future ay magkakaroon ka ng successful or talagang mabuting wakas or nasa isip mo palagi pag-asa sa mabuting ibubunga nito sa future. Letter D. Promoting mindfulness and inner peace. Spirituality encourages living in the present moment, reducing overthinking and promoting calmness. So, spirituality, talagang ini-encourage tayo to live in this present. Kung ano pa man ang problem or struggle na hinaharap natin, dapat continue pa rin tayo to live to this present moment. And also, spiritual, ini-encourage din tayo or nagiging effect ng spirituality na rini-reduce nila yung overthinking sa isip natin and promoting calmness in a situation na um, na talagang mapapaisip ka and magkakaroon ka ng signs na kung hindi mo ma-promote yung calmness sa sarili mo, pwedeng maging result nito is depression or anxiety. Spirituality significantly influences both physical and mental health by reducing stress, improving coping mechanism, and fostering a sense of purpose. So, yun na nga talaga, spirituality, nag-influence ito sa tao and also sa both physical and mental ng tao upang ma-reduce yung stress, improving coping mechanism, and fostering a sense of purpose. Whatever true religious faith, meditation, or mindfulness, spiritual engagement can lead to the healthier and more fulfilling life. So, yun na nga, through religious faith, meditation, or mindfulness, or spiritual engagement, naglilid ito sa healthier and more fulfilling life natin. Kumbaga, ginaguide tayo sa ating life upang maging masaya ito, and healthier. So, we come now to the examples of how spirituality relates to health and mental well-being. So, number one, spirituality and physical health. For the first example, meditation and stress reduction. In case, a study by Harvard Medical School found that daily meditation lowered cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. Many hospitals now offer mindfulness-based stress reductions programs for patients with chronic illnesses. On example number two, prayer and recovery from illnesses, the case, research in Journal of Behavioral Medicine showed that patients who pray or engage in spiritual practices heal faster after surgery. In real-life application, cancer patients who participate in spiritual support groups report better emotional well-being and resilience. On the third example, religion and healthy lifestyle. A study on Seventh-day Adventists, a religious group, showed they live up to 10 years longer due to their healthy plant-based diet, regular exercise, and spiritual faith. Real-life application, many religious communities discourage smoking, excessive drinking, and unhealthy habits, leading to better overall health. So that's the three example for spirituality and physical health. So number two, spirituality and mental health. Number four, example, spirituality as a coping mechanism for grief. Study on bereaved individuals found that those with strong spiritual beliefs cope better with loss and grief. Real life application, people who lost loved ones often find comfort in religious rituals, prayers, and spiritual counseling. Example number five, mindfulness and depression treatment. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology showed that mindfulness-based therapy reduced depression symptoms as effectively as medication. In real-life application, many therapists incorporate meditation and breathing exercise to help patients manage negative emotions. Example number six, spiritual community and mental resilience. A study in the America Journal of Psychiatry found that people who attend religious services regularly have lower rates of depression and suicide. In real-life application, support from a spiritual or religious community provides social connections, emotional support, and a sense of belonging. So that's the three examples, 4, 5, 6. For number 2, spiritual and mental health. These examples show how spirituality positively influences physical and mental health, offering stress relief, emotional resilience, and better coping strategies, whether through prayer, meditation, or community support. Spirituality provides valuable health benefits. So that's all for my presentation on the two questions that I topic today. How is spirituality related to health, and what is the impact of spirituality on mental health? So thank you for watching and listening to me. Again, I'm Eugene Tepanero Peña, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Values Education, Section 2A. Goodbye.